Welcome back. Predictions are such a fierce trade that only the fittest can survive. Huge amounts of billions of dollars are spent in research by global investment research companies, by companies in the United States, all across the world, trying to figure out the alpha return that you can get on your stocks, on your bonds, on your portfolio. Friends, most of the research tools that are available are of the technical chart in nature. Now, they are very, very good if you were to take on a rolling basis. Okay, let me give you an example. So, for the year, for let us say the quarter ending March 31, you can keep rebalancing your portfolio. You know what's happened in these last few months, and based on this analysis, you can keep rebalancing your portfolio. But there is yet to come a good technical analysis tool which can tell you a few months in advance. Where we in Art of Investing distinguish is that we will tell you in advance what is coming a few months down the road. As of today, if you were to look at the US data, the GDP data, the various parameters seem to be indicating that it is going to be an extremely mild recession with nothing for much to worry. And forget about dollar cost averaging. You can just go and put all your money in the pink places and enjoy the ride, the bull run, which is presumably most people have think has restarted. That's not how it works. In our Art of Investing, and people who have been loyal to us and who have remained with us for a long period of time, we will try and tell you in advance. We have the specific periods written today in our analysis, in our Excel spreadsheets. We can tell you the week, the month where the big fall and the big rise will come. You don't have to waste and do it on a rolling basis. You don't have to wait till that period has come. You can do it. We can tell you much months and even sometimes years in advance. I can tell you about 2024, which will be a very bleak period. In some period, it will be very bleak. 2023, a big fall is coming in a certain period. We'll tell you all this in advance. So don't waste money in doing a dollar cost averaging, in putting all your money today, rejoicing in irrational exuberance. And to get to know which are those periods in advance as compared to those techniques which may tell you, but they will tell you on a rolling basis as the indicators develop, but not in hindsight. In hindsight, you can get to know all this, but not futuristically, not in advance. Not these are the predictions which we in the Art of Investing will tell you. We'll tell those people who have been loyal to us, who have remained with us for a good period of time. We'll tell you which are those big periods where the big falls and the big rises will arise, friends. But relying on the technical, do not get carried away. You may think that these are the good technical tools that are available, but they will fail you at the wrong time. These are only cumulative additions. By the time these events have happened, you have already lost all the flavor. We will tell you months in advance. You're already well positioned and your weight is sitting on cash for that huge fall, so you can get in. If you are doing it on a rolling basis, by that time you're already fully invested. You'll get caught and you may rebalance at that point of time, but not in advance. To do it in advance, please do join Prime Plus. And the number to get in touch, you can WhatsApp us on 98208610044. There's a small data cost, but then we do it because we scientifically calculate and we have back tested it over 100 years. We will give it to you. Please take advantage of the situation. Do not get carried away by technical analysis. It's not an easy method. Technical analysis has failed people time and again. You will get failed. There are going to be big turns coming in 2023. Remember my words, the big falls and the big rises, you'll miss all of them if you based your decisions on technical basis, on technical charts, on supports, resistances. That's not how markets work. It's a changed world. You will have to move differently in a very, very different time. And particularly this year is going to be completely, it will stand out the boys from the men and the men from the boys. And you will see that those who got the advantage of seeing the markets much in advance do very, very well as compared to those people who use all these methods to look at the markets little based on what the rebalancing their portfolios based on how the markets are moving. This is all old data, historical. We are telling futuristic, telling you months in advance, even years in advance. We're telling you the exact periods. I'll tell you in 23 which are those weeks, the months where the big fall is coming. Why waste time in all this technical analysis? Please do join Prime Plus if you are interested in US markets, and in Indian markets, please do join Premium Elite. Number to get in touch, 9820861044. You can either WhatsApp us on this number. Alternatively, you can also feel free to email us at globalmoneyinvestor@gmail.com. It is globalmoneyinvestor@gmail.com. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.